Gift giving. Gift giving this season, and anytime you give a gift, there's a way that you can give a gift to whoever you're giving that gift to, as well as to Mother Nature, to our earth, my favorite place to live. So, want to learn more? Want to be a superhero at gift giving? To the craft table! So, think about what you wrap your gift in. You might use wrapping paper. There's no rule that says you only have to use it once. The more times you use it, the better it is for the earth. The less garbage there is, and the more fun you can make it for whoever you're giving your gift to. Think about calendars. This could be a great wrapping paper. Look at all those great birds. Who wouldn't want their gift wrapped in a penguin? Or, look at this. We don't need atlases so much anymore with Google Waze and all those kind of maps, but we have a whole book of free wrapping paper here. You can personalize it for whoever you're giving your gift to. More calendars. Even though it's past that year, there's still a lot these calendars can give us and keep things from becoming garbage. Catalogs, color, they all make really good wrapping paper. Wrappers make really good wrapping paper. Just take a moment and reflect. Bags. Fun to reuse bags too. It can be kind of a fun gift. You can give your friend a gift in a bag, and then they'll have to give you that bag back, right? And it would be rude to give you an empty bag. Neat trick. Ugh, wallpaper. You can get these books for free. If you go to a wallpaper store and ask for the old sample books, you'll have a whole book of free, fun wrapping paper that you can make the gift giving even more fun this year. How about fabric? You can wrap your gift in fabric and they can reuse it again, send you something back. A pillowcase makes a really handy wrapping. It's easy to undo. Or a bandana can be a whole gift unto itself. Think about wrapping your gift in a bandana. You know what's also really fun for almost everyone? Get a fancy box and don't wrap it. And your friends will get their present and be so excited. The smartest new phone. Oh, I'm gonna crush so much candy. Socks. Siri, why are you socks? And we didn't talk about ribbon. Kids, have you ever seen one of these? Ask your parents. It is actually full of all the ribbon you could ever want. Nice, shiny, fancy ribbon. So ask before you turn this tape into ribbon. Ask your parents first to make sure it's okay, and then you can start wrapping. All right, so now it's time to make the gifts. Whatever you wrap your gift in can be a gift unto itself, to your friend and to the earth. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching, and there's plenty more great videos on the YouTube channel and at chicagoparkdistrict.com. Thanks.